I was the North American principal investigator for the RELAY study, which is what led to the approval of erlotinib along with ramuciramab. The regimen has clearly shown superiority with respect to progression-free survival over erlotinib alone. This follows on two studies in Japan that showed with the VEGF antibody bevacizumab that there were also improvements in progression-free survival. I think that where this will find itself in the treatment paradigm is something that people are still looking at. There is the potential that patients would do well with this regimen, and then the data would indicate many of those patients will develop a T790M mutation, probably similar to if they had received single agent or erlotinib, and that perhaps as a strategy, using this approach and then going to osimertinib at the time of progression. Osimertinib, of course, is effective against T790M, would be a strategy to look at. On the other hand, some people will continue to use osimertinib alone as frontline therapy, which has demonstrated good tolerability as well as efficacy. So I think that there have been many instances in my own practice, even off trial, where I have given anti-angiogenic therapy along with an EGFR inhibitor. The combination of erlotinib and bevacizumab had been available through an NCCN recommendation previously, and there are some patients who were interested in that approach. I think that it's certainly a very reasonable approach. I think that there are subsets that people have begun to look at as to what would be groups that would benefit. One subgroup of the RELAY regimen did look particularly good in EGFR L858R mutations. I don't have a great explanation of that to date in terms of why that difference may be seen, but I think that's going to be one of the questions that people are looking at in future studies and as people get more follow-up on these studies.